For the periodic table activity, you will need to get a periodic table from your teacher. Make sure that you follow all of the instructions as you go along. Most people will miss parts here and there. So if you look here, it says part 1. And here in part 1, there are elements that you need to put the letter G in the box, elements that you need to put the letter L in the box, and it tells you that all the rest are solids. Don't put S in the rest of them, just label the gases and liquids. Here it says each column is a group, and it says to name each group. So each of the groups that have a name, you need to write their name. Color as indicated. So here are the colors that you need to color everything. Now it says to outline in red just to save you time, so you don't have to color in all of those boxes. And it says, and at the top of the chart, write the oxidation number and the number of valence electrons. So both these numbers and these numbers need to be written on top of each group so that you'll have this information when you're taking tests and doing your packets later on. So make sure that you have put the name, colored it, and put the oxidation number and number of valence electrons at the top. Down at the bottom, it tells you that some elements are diatomic, which means they never exist as a single atom. So rather than H, you would always find H2. Rather than N, you'd always find N2. So for all of these, you're going to put an asterisk in the box. So it's like a little star. You will also shade in the metalloids, and it tells you what they are right here. And then you are going to circle these two elements because they are the most reactive, non-metal and metal. Make sure you followed all of the instructions all the way down your paper. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask me.